Thumbs up for art and music. Vocabulary. 1. Around. Meaning, in a circle or near something. Sentence, the children run around the tree. 2. Find. Meaning, to see or get something that was lost. Sentence, I find my book on the table. 3. Full. Meaning, having no more space. Sentence, my bag is full of toys. 4. Grow. Meaning, to get bigger or older. Sentence, plants grow when they get water. 5. Under. Meaning, below something. Sentence, the ball is under the chair. 6. Concentrate. Meaning, to focus or pay attention. Sentence, I concentrate when I do my homework. 7. Learn. Meaning, to know something new. Sentence, I learn English in school. 8. Remember. Meaning, to keep something in your mind. Sentence, I remember my teacher's name. 9. Think. Meaning, to use your mind. Sentence, I think before I speak.